Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my latest planner haul. So I have an order from Cloth and Paper and Infinite Lotus, and then we are going to make some changes in, I believe, one or two of my agendas. So let's go ahead and open these up. Let's start with the Cloth and Paper order because this has the base items that I'm using. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I like to change my planners up every week essentially, and I decided to change, let me open this up, change up my medium ring slash personal agenda just a bit, just because I kind of want to go back to using it as a daily planner, so I use it a little more. I haven't been using it as much for work, and that's how I was using it for a while. Here are the freebies that you get in the order. So I was just roaming around the websites and decided to place a small order just to try things out. And I picked up a few things. So y'all know that I love Cloth and Paper tab dividers. They are my favorite tab dividers. So I got the Essentials tab. I have these in all of my planners, so I wanted to get them for my personal as well. I got a Today dashboard since I will be using this as a daily. So I got these. I already have an inbox and outbox. I got an additional A5 bookmark for my A5 agenda. And then I ordered their new, or I guess it's newish. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it's, I think they call it a binder. But this is the personal size, so I can put all my work inserts in here and set this up for work and use it for work, and then I can use my daily for my personal. I think I'm gonna make it more of like a content creation and daily planner, and with the inserts from Infinite Lotus that just came in. So yeah, we have these. So these are the items that I ordered from Cloth and Paper. Really love it. I needed another one of these bookmarks because I keep adding more and more tabs to my A5. But we will put these in the planners in just a moment, and we will actually set this up. I'm just going to transfer everything that's currently in that agenda in here, just so I can reference everything and have somewhere to put it. And then for the Infinite Lotus order, so here are the freebies. So you get an appointment, an about, and then some quote cards and a monthly card. And then I ordered a few sets of inserts. So first one that I want to share is I purchased some more refill paper. So I get asked about the printables a lot. So Infinite Lotus paper is my absolute favorite paper. And I always tell everyone when I'm like doing my play with me's, I get their refill paper. Now I always have it linked under like the other section in my description, and I'll have it linked in this one as well. But this is just A5 Cloth and Paper that you can print your printables on. And then I hole punch them myself, just because I don't like having to mess with figuring out which way to put my paper in the printer. But they do have the pre-hole punch, but I always waste paper that way because I always forget which way, do it wrong, have to reprint. It's just easier to print everything out and then hole punch it myself. So I always try, when I order something physical, order these. But because I have so many printables that I use in my planner, I order these pretty frequently. I want to say like at least once every 2 months, or whenever I place an order, just so I have it, because I feel like I can never have enough, especially since I'm, you know, using different types of inserts. So I just ordered some more refill paper. And then I ordered these weekly inserts, and they are the horizontal weeklies with columns, and we'll go into that in just a moment. Y'all see when we set it up. And then I also ordered these Undated daily inserts. So these are the half hours, and I really wanted to try these out in the A5 size. I used to use the non-half hour version, and it went like all day. So I just wanted to try these out and see if these would work. And then I also wanted to see if I wanted to keep my daily in my A5 or use it in the personal. These inserts don't start until April, so I can't use them until April, so next month. But I am going to start using this right away and see if I like it and try those out. And then I also ordered the quarterly inserts from 8LOTUS just to put in the planner so we have them, and we'll take a look at that. But yeah, that is everything that I ordered from both shops. And so now we will start putting everything together. Okay, so let's start with using the new binder and putting everything that's in here into here. Okay, so I have everything in here, and I really like the way that it looks in here. I think this is really cute, and now I can still use everything. This will probably be my new work planner. I honestly, again, just haven't really used it, so if anything, this is just more for reference, but I can just keep this on my planner cart or just close by when I'm working, and that way I can grab it if I need it. So we have that, and let's move that to the side. And now we have like the bones of my planner. So I kept my inbox and outbox here. We have all of the beginning stuff that I keep in all of my planners. So a dashboard, inbox, morning mindset, and then 2 vellums. I might actually move this vellum to in here just because I'll have the same like dashboard on the insert. Well, no, let's just keep it in here, keep it consistent. Okay, so let's start with the tab. So we have the schedule note, I'm sorry, so we have the essentials tab, which has the schedule, notes, and finances. All right, so we are gonna start with putting in schedule. And then I believe I decided to put the weeklies first. So we're gonna put that in. We're just gonna put in the entire thing because there's plenty of room. We have the notes. That's where we're gonna put dailies. And again, we're just gonna put in the entire thing. Finances. And then we're gonna put in these quarterly inserts. And then we have this today dashboard that we're gonna keep in the daily. So I'm just gonna move it after the first one. Oh, let me add my inbox and outbox. I might keep the quarterly inserts behind the outbox. I kind of like that. So we'll do that. So here is what it looks like. So under schedule, here's what these weekly horizontals look like. So these are dated. Oh, so let me move these out of the way. Okay, so it does look like it starts in March. Oh great, so I can start using it right away. So I'm actually probably gonna move the today dashboard now into the weekly so I can start using it right away. Because these are really just gonna be like note inserts essentially, which is why I put them behind notes. But let's see, what's today? Today is March 4th. So I'm really happy that they start in March. It said April on the website, so that makes me really happy that I can use them. So here's this current week. So on these, I got these lined. I believe there's an unlined option, but you have 2 columns. And I already used something similar in my GM for content planning. Actually, I already took it out, but the only difference with these is that they have 2 different columns that are structured to be for 2 different things. The ones I have, it's just pretty much all one. And what I really like is that this is structured to priorities this week and memo, the ones that I was using for content planning. But I will set these up. I'll probably do a plan with me in these as well as the daily. Like I'll probably have a separate video for my GM. So if y'all want to see that, y'all can see how I content plan. But we have these, and then we have the entire year in here, so I don't have to worry about moving inserts around. I don't plan on putting too much in here. Really, again, this is going to be a content and or daily planner. And then here's the daily, and really, if the daily inserts don't work out in here and I choose to do my like GM, then I'm going to just add in some note inserts and really use this as like a note section that I can write out ideas, or maybe like keep collaborations in here. We'll see. But I do want to just give these a shot and try out the dailies. I just like the size better. I think I'll like these, but we'll see. Then we have under finances, my inbox and outbox. We just have an inbox section, and then we'll also have, and I'll just jot down like notes and probably collaboration details on here. Like this will really be the notes section. And then we have these quarterly inserts from 8LOTUS. I believe I'm just going to use these to track different launches and milestones throughout the year in here, and that way I have a reference for everything. And then yeah, that is the new content planner and / daily planner and the new setup. And then that is actually going to be it for this video. So if y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.